ये इंटरनेट की नहीं, डॉक्टर की एडवाइस है और उनके हिसाब से kids born and brought up in Delhi NCR, especially in the past 5 years, are likely to die earlier, be dumber, get sicker and also perform poorly in school. Let's tell you how. Number one, why are doctors saying that kids born in Delhi NCR will die earlier? Well, इस पर एक scientific evidence निकल कर आया है that prolonged exposure to PM 2.5 plays out in different ways, especially in the report that came out by the Center of Science and Environment, जिन्होंने 2019 में ही ये warn कर दिया था that air pollution has become the leading cause of killing over 1 lakh children under 5 years of age every year. Doctors are saying that kids in Delhi NCR are born now with stunted lungs, with inflamed airways, with higher risk of pneumonia and also that leading to premature deaths. Number two, be dumber. Why are they saying it? There is clear evidence now that the brain development is hampered every time you have prolonged exposure to toxic air. PM 2.5 और NO2 का जब prolonged exposure होता है तो बच्चों के cognitive decline कहा जाता है. 2024 में US की एक study आई थी जिन्होंने कहा कि बच्चों का learning span, memory, attention सब बिगड़ता है जब pollution वो constantly inhale करते हैं. Number 3, get sicker. Now kids have smaller airways. They also breathe faster. So when pollution penetrates their body, it goes deeper and also causes larger inflammation. इस पर एक scientific evidence निकल कर आया है. इस पर डॉक्टर विवेक नांगिया जो इंडिया के leading pulmonologist हैं उनका कहना है कि kids in Delhi were earlier taking 5 to 7 days to respond to medication. Now they take 2 weeks at least. इस पर एक एम्स के डॉक्टर्स की स्टडी भी निकल कर आई है 2025 में जो कहती है कि every time air quality goes bad, the spike in number of kids getting sick is 15 to 20%. Number 4, performing badly in school. इस पर American Economic Journal 2024 की study है which found out that kids who are exposed to chronic pollutants are performing worse in memory and also failing their cognitive tests. They are more likely to lose focus, they tire faster and also they skip school altogether. Teachers in Delhi NCR are constantly complaining that even before the morning prayers, they constantly hear kids coughing. The fact is, this is not just a reality for Delhi NCR, not just a Gurgaon or Delhi or Noida problem. This is a problem of the entire northern belt. The question is, how long will we wait?